Hi, my name is Alex. I am a Filipina master's student here in Germany, and I will tell you my journey, how I got my master's student visa from a language visa holder without going back home. So just a little bit of background. Before I came here to Germany, I actually already applied for a language school visa, but sadly, na-reject yung visa ko. I was rejected, and I had to reapply again. And I actually had to ask and email the embassy bakit nila ako ni-reject, and they told me that I need to take a 1.1 German and then reapply again. So I did that. So I won't tell which school I went to because it was not really a positive experience. They were very unprofessional. I really had to squeeze my certificate from them that I actually did the language course to present to the embassy. I was really pushy, so I will not disclose their name. Baka cyber libel tayo dito. Pero I'm just gonna say na online course siya, and yun lang. So anyway, to move forward, first is, of course, you have to book your appointment sa embassy. Based sa experience ko, after 2 weeks, or like between 1 to 5 days, to be honest, hindi 2 weeks, they will send you an email after you book an appointment ng date kung kailan yung appointment date mo. And in my experience, it was like in the next month, or like in the next month and a half. So this is the website that you're supposed to book the appointment, or maybe you have to double check, maybe it changed and mali ako right now, but in my case, dito ako nag-apply for an appointment, and then andun rin sa website yung requirements and yung application form. So prior you setting an appointment sa embassy, you have to fill up an application form before they actually give you an appointment. So you cannot miss this one. So sorry, I had to delete some videos kasi na over memory yung ano ko, yung cellphone ko. Anyway, so kailangan mong gumawa ng motivational letter explaining bakit mo ba gusto tong gawin. In my case, before I applied for a language school visa, meron na akong acceptance letter from a university for a slot for my master's. So, yung ginawa ko is, sinabi ko sa motivation letter na gusto ko makapag-properly integrate dito sa Germany after ko makakapagtapos ng master's ko. So, sinabi ko yon. I was very honest, very transparent. Sinabi ko yung background ko dito sa Pilipinas, na I used to work in public research dito under like DOST projects. And I said that gusto ko talaga makapag-work together with my colleagues. Kaya gusto kong maka-learn ng German at gusto kong makapag-integrate dito ng seamlessly. So I can actually talk about how I got a master's slot here in Germany. Pero natakol ko na yan sa TikTok ko. I'll link, charot. I'll put my bio here in the screen and then also link it in the video. So anyway, to recap, ito yung kailangan mo ng mga documents. First is a valid passport, then application form, then CV, then proof of finance. Sa akin, personally, is a block bank account. Next is acceptance letter from a language course and proof of payment for the entire course. And then, a motivational letter. Sa website nila, sinabi nila na 2 copies lang. Pero ang ginawa ko, syempre sigurista ako, is 3 copies. Okay, honestly, yung mga tao sa German embassy is mababait naman. And if may mga documents ka na parang hindi naman bearing sa application mo. For example, in my case, parang sa insurance ko may problema. Okay lang naman sa health insurance ko. Parang may problema sa... Isa pa pala, health insurance. So, ito yung complete list ng kailangan nyo. And... okay, so may problema kasi sa health insurance ko, and parang need nila ng something about sa duration. And sabi nila pwede ko lang daw naman i-email. So, pero it's better to be prepared than sorry, guys. So that's why I suggest na 3 copies ang dalhin nyo instead of 2 na required na. Just to be prepared. And also yung visa photo, na may regulation naman dyan sa Schengen. Yung ginawa ko is pumunta lang ako sa Great Image at sinabi ko lang na for Schengen na visa, and alam naman nila yung gagawin. Pero actually dito Schengen visa eh. Pero parang same naman yung specification. Next is how I made my language course visa into a student master's visa. Master student visa. So, actually, before applying, diba, sa language course visa ko, may confirmation ako from a university na may master student spot na ako. So, sinabi ko yon, pinakita ko yun sa embassy. So, additional documents yun for me, which is IELTS result ko, na kasi yung master's ko is in English. Next is a unconditional acceptance letter from the university. So, para makita nila na may spot na nga ako. So, okay. Fast forward. Andito na ako sa Germany. The minute I landed here, I immediately booked an appointment sa Ausländer Behörde dito sa aking region. So, saan ba ako na region? So, Baden-Württemberg. So, ito, take note of this. Kada region, meron iba't ibang rules. So, sa area kung nasan ako ngayon, pwede kang mag-book ng appointment sa Ausländer Behörde via online. So, that's what I did. Nag-book ako ng appointment and may mga checkboxes rin naman doon and sinabi ko na to change visa. And yung ginawa ko is, nag-book lang, fill up the forms, and then ito talaga yung trick. Dapat gawin niyo siya as soon as possible kasi hindi talaga pwedeng pabanjing-banjing ka dito. Kasi overrun yung offices and kailangan rin nila ng time. So, I did it the minute I came here and I actually got an appointment after 2 months of waiting. Guys, take note, ang language school visa ko is only 3 months. So, nervous na ako nung nasa 2-month mark na ako for waiting for an appointment. And luckily, nakabook naman ako ng appointment. And when I got sa office, super smooth lang naman yung nangyari. So, yung nangyari is, kinuha lang yung requirements, which is the unconditional acceptance letter, which is the acceptance letter na sa university ko. Next is yung enrollment ko, na nakapagbayad ako sa enrollment. And next is, I think, yung temporary residence permit ko kasi binigyan nila ako ng parang ID dito. So, ganun lang. Very simple and mabilis naman. Kinunan lang ako ng picture. And then, sabi nila sa akin, they will give me like parang like a paper na color green yun. And nakalimutan ko anong tawag. Basta proof yun na student ka. And proof yun, pakita mo yun sa employer mo na allowed ka mag-work for 20 hours a week. And wag na wag mo yung i-misplace. And also, if mag-change school ka, kailangan mo ipaalam sa Ausländer Behörde ninyo. So, just for context, sa Baden-Württemberg ako, and iba't ibang rules per state, so you have to check. Kasi federal sila dito sa Germany. And also, do it in advance. Huwag pabanjing-banjing. And I think that's it. So, for my case, I had to look for a master's student spot in a university. And then I applied to a language school visa with the statement to the embassy na may spot ako, na mag-masters ako. And then afterwards, I changed it. I booked a appointment. I got it after 2 months. And then, mabilis lang naman, nakuha ko na yung student visa ko after 2 months. And yun lang. Thank you. And if you have any questions regarding how I got a master student spot, which I said it's on my TikTok, pero I can make a separate video, or how was my language school experience here in Germany, just comment down below. Thank you.